A very good morning to all of you. A hearty welcome to all the participants for the 6-day Faculty Development Program on Research at a Glance, Current Protocols, organized by Mechanical Department, SIT Lonavala, in association with LLGTA. Let's learn and grow together. First and foremost, I would like to welcome Honorable Professor Dr. M.S. Gaikwad Sir, Campus Director and Principal, SIT Lonavala. I would also like to request our newly joined guest, Honorable M.S. Rokule Sir, Principal, SKN SIT Lonavala. Secondly, I would like to welcome Professor S.M. Gaikwad Sir, Coordinator of this Faculty Development Program and Head of the Department, Mechanical Department, SIT Lonavala. Now, I would also welcome Professor D.S. Dhurke Sir and his entire team for arranging this FDP, 6-day FDP, in association with LLGTA. Most importantly, I would love to express my sincere gratitude towards you all the participants, for showing your keen interest in participating or attending in this national level symposium in association with Let's Learn and Grow Together. I would like to express now my sincere gratitude towards the team LLGTA, Let's Learn and Grow Together. LLGTA is a platform where you can find almost 700 plus videos and covering your professional and personal growth. I would request you all to visit the platform and take the utmost benefit of this same. Now, I would like to request all the dignitaries and participants for the Saraswati Pujan. You can do the Saraswati Pujan now. Om Ya Kundendu Tushar Har Dhavla Ya Shubhra Vastravrata Ya Veelavardandamandit Kara Ya Shvet Padmasana Ya Brahmanchit Shankar Prabhutavahi Devahi Sada Vandita Saman Patu Saraswati Bhagavati Vishesha Jadyapaha. Now with the Saraswati Pujan, I would like to request Honorable Professor Dr. M.S. Gaikwad Sir, Campus Director and Principal, SIT Lonavala, for his welcome speech. Over to you, Gaikwad Sir.
Thank you, Madam. Honorable Dr. Rokule Sir, other dignitaries, HOD Mechanical Engineering, Professor S.M. Gaikwad, coordinators of this FDP, all faculty colleagues, and dear participants. It is not only pleasure, but a great honor to be with your team on this occasion of FDP, recent trends, protocols in mechanical engineering. Because of the pandemic situation, the FDP is organized online, but whatever efforts are taken by the organizing team, these are really appreciable. It is being told that more than 2,000 participants are taking benefit of this FDP. This is a great achievement. We all are aware that everyone who is in the field of engineering has to know the recent trends or protocols in their fields so that they can understand things very easily in their own domain. One of the reports says mechanical engineers are at the forefront of technology development, particularly for farming, transportation, environmental solutions, safety, food production, security, water resources, healthcare, and many more. Accordingly, with the advent of new technology, not only in mechanical engineering, but being this is an era of interdisciplinary approach and research, with the integration of development in other technologies with the mechanical engineering, new protocols or technologies are used for the beneficial of a society. As far as the mechanical engineering is concerned, the recent trends, we can define n number of trends, but just few to mention. Recently, we are talking about the 3D printing or additive manufacturing. Interconnected machines is the another area. Internet of Things, Industry 4.0, digital manufacturing, biomedical engineering, green manufacturing, nanotechnology, alternate energy, including all renewable resources, mechatronics, already we are aware, robotics, smart materials is the emerging field, automation and intelligent system, CAD/CAM sustainability is the good area where one can develop, project management, and so on. Many more can be mentioned. These are the areas where we need to discuss, adopt the new technology, tools, and it should be utilized for the development in many areas. When we are organizing the FDP, the basic idea behind the FDP is just identifying these new areas, new protocols, new trends with integration of different technologies and getting expertise in a particular area so that it can be transferred, technology can be transferred to the students. So automatically it will be beneficial for the concerned section of the society. So my sincere request to all participants, whatever the areas are selected, apart from what I said, a vast area is covered in this FDP, starting from New Educational Policy 2020, then IPR, Incubation Center and policies of the MHRD, then how to fetch funds from different agencies. So you are incorporating basic concept idea, then resources available and what way it should be implemented. Every aspect is covered in this FDP. In that sense, it is a great effort to develop tomorrow's entrepreneurs, and that too at a very large scale to the tune of more than 2,000 participants. So once again, I congratulate the Department of Mechanical Engineering, particularly the organizing team, for organizing such FDP, which will be a good area for development of all the faculty members, participants, and the students. My best wishes to this FDP, and I'm very much thankful to HOD and the organizers for giving me an opportunity to be part of your system, your team. Thank you very much. It is over to you, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much, Gaikwad sir, for your great,
Welcome, ma'am.
always inspiring and motivating words. Uh, because, sir, as you said, this flourishing technology and whatever you mentioned, the upcoming innovative areas, exactly on these points, our faculty development program will be there. And thank you, sir, for joining us. Now, I would like to request Professor S.M. Gaikwad, sir, on research at a glance, current protocols, and who is the head of the department, mechanical department, SIT Lonavala, to brief about the complete program. Over to you, HOD, sir.
Thank you, madam. Good morning to one and all. I welcome all the participants from the state of Maharashtra as well as out of Maharashtra. As sir has mentioned, the response for this FDP, initially we thought to organize it at the national level, but few overseas participants are also there who will join this FDP. I welcome on behalf of the Department of Mechanical Engineering, SIT Lonavala, our principal, Sir Dr. M.S. Gaikwad, Sir, Principal of SKN SIT, Dr. M.S. Rohkale, Sir, all HODs, senior faculties, the faculties from all over STS engineering colleges, and the participants who have shown their interest for this FDP. Sir has completely given the current trends, the importance of mechanical branch, and on that way, we initially thought that the research for the engineering colleges or for engineering faculties is nowadays very important. The terms which are related to the research, like the research paper writing, then IPR, then the various funds which are possible for the research. And if the staff members, if the researchers, they come together and if they can share their views, their ideas, then it will be not only helpful for individual, but in group also we can do some activities. The help will be there for new researchers. And by keeping that view in mind, we decided that the many concepts, many the related terms which are related to the research can be clubbed together, and why not 6 days FDP or 1 week FDP can be arranged. And within 1.5 months, we started our preparation we contacted the different eminent speakers, and at the end, up to yesterday, there was tremendous response for our FDP. Around 3,000 participants are there. We reached to so many people who are doing their research, and hope this will be beneficial for all of us. So since last 1 year, actually we started the online sessions for the students for the regular syllabus, and while doing this exercise, we also come to know that we can use this online platform for various activities. And accordingly, we organized one national conference for the students. Then various workshops were arranged. Then we also arranged alumni meet, parent meet. Our alumni, which are at the various different industries, they are working in various industries throughout the India as well as abroad. Almost 25 such interactions we organized for our students by our alumni. So day by day, the use of this particular online platform has proved its importance, and we have reached to a such level that maximum people can share their views, they can attend the FDP. As Principal Sir has mentioned, we started we are starting with the new educational policies. Then we are also discussing how to fetch funds from various authorities. Then incubator center and MHRD innovation policies, IPR and patent facilitation, how to write research paper, then tools used in research, and we are also including our faculty members also. Professor P. Lokhande and Baste Madam, their patents, they have already registered their patents. They are already in the research work, and these young researchers, their experiences will be shared during this FDP. So always at the Siagat Institute of Technology, Lonavala, through different departments, we started of this institute was started in the year 2004. As on today, the strength of the mechanical engineering is 240 intake is there. Almost 45 faculty members are there. Almost 16 faculty members, they are pursuing their PhD, and whatever the research or the atmosphere is there, we have created that atmosphere. There is always help from our respected principal sir, our founder president, Professor M.N. Navle sir, founder secretary madam. So from the management also, this support is there for this particular research work. And this FDP, 6 days FDP, research at a glance, current protocol, I think it will provide a good platform, and not only for this particular 6 days period, but our relations or our knowledge transfer will continue in the coming years. So once again, I welcome on behalf of the Department of Mechanical Engineering, SIT Lonavala and STS family, the participants, those are joining from various states as well as from the overseas. So once again, I welcome all the participants, and now I can hand over to Raut madam. Madam, please.
Okay. Thank you, respected HOD sir. Thank you very much for completely briefing about the program. I would now express my sincere thanks towards the management for granting the permission for organizing this FDP. I would also thank to all the respected speakers who are available and have made their valuable time for this FDP, including all the professors and all the other dignitaries. in which the first name will be of our Dr. M.S. Gaikwad sir, who is Campus Director and Principal of SIT Lonavala. Secondly, our newly joined guest, Professor M.S. Rohukule sir, Principal of SKN SIT Lonavala. HODs from all the departments of all the colleges, all the senior faculty members who have joined this faculty development program, all the researchers and academicians who have joined, organizers and organization team, also a big thanks to all the respected guests who have joined the FDP. Lastly, co-coordinator, Professor D.S. Ghodke sir and his entire team who is handling their duties at the end. And most importantly, great thanks to all the participants who have joined this faculty development program, who are going to definitely have their personal development into a great area of research. As HOD sir and Principal sir mentioned, this FDP will be regarding latest technologies, different areas, including patents, rights, filing, and definitely this FDP will be a great platform in association with Let's Learn and Grow Together, that's LLGTA, for all of you. And this platform will fetch you great success and knowledge in all of your life. So thank you to all the respected participants. And I conclude the inaugural function of this FDP, and I hand over to our HOD sir, respected HOD sir. Over to you, sir.
Now I request all participants to join the very first session at 1:15 p.m. today. The incubator need and MHRD innovation policies. Link to join the session will be shared through WhatsApp groups which we have formed, as well as by Telegram channel. So I request all participants to join the session, today's session, and the daily sessions at the right time. We will share the links. Professor Ghodke sir will share the links on the WhatsApp group, and hope you all will enjoy these sessions and they will add to the values. So once again, thanks to all. Thank you very much. And I declare that with the due permission of all these guests and participants, I declare that the inaugural function of 6 days FDP is now over. Thank you very much.
Appreciate our efforts by subscribing to our channel. Thank you.